They don't open that too. Yes, man, in this house. Man, it's your no, you have to everything there. Man, in this party with a live right now, front and they said inside. Come out, open that seat for me. I was saying, I'm not with the same whiskey thing. You buy get it, man. And I use that cycle. Get away. And when we go in on the date, and Sunday, I'm with the boat today. I wish my wife and my sweetheart could be free. You say right between the traffic and say right between the traffic and put it up with. Bring it, man, bring it, man, that's the foot, bring up the foot, yeah. Bring the thing there. Imagine up in our wheels and we decided the possibilities of it and things are exciting. Alright, we don't got much space, you know, we can. Let's go. Now, paper, we have to get you happy. Go on the next side, Marky. Go on the next side. Jeng, try what I'm doing. Everybody get them tired. Somehow we speak it up because we two of them are mine. We do everything together, everything fine. None of them not jealous, none of them not bad mind. Life would be really sweet. Three of us walking down here. Let me go open the window. Yes, man. With the live again, 4 years. Man, it's a classic. Run down the shed inside Culture Capital, Heart, Griga. On the shade live, because this race will be a fast race. I'm there as alongside big boss who deal with this race, Mr. Moses Lopez. Man, Mr. Moses.
Stop playboy. I don't know playboy. This is a serious thing, man. You don't tell me that 4 times, you know. Make me get serious, star. We want to do this race, but I don't play with the play.
See? Do the mid by itself. I can't drive and do this for this long time. You do it 1 time.
Then they say over 50 cycles register, but I know they count that, man. Which one's for man normally like ride this, you know? So the rest of them? Oh, you are? You understand it?
Man.
The hype man ready, right?
Huh?
The hype man ready? Yeah, man.
Active.
Got me kept by.
Man, I blow in last time. Actually, blow in.
Actually, you show up.
You feel it, right?
Feel yourself. Even if I don't call the race to happen, you don't call the race to happen. You feel yourself because then your credibility, they go. Actually, you don't feel we are fucked. You feel yourself.
Not today. That cross country hurt me, boy. We got at least to represent Kriga and the world. You represent enough respect.
When are they there? Wait, no, I can't go to it. I can't start right now.
They're not there, there? No, they're not saying no at all, eh?
When are they? When are they?
They're not saying no
I
water.
need somebody to record who come in first, second, third, or so.
No, me more type verify. I don't know.
How on
That's
this?
how we do it the last time. Huh? Somebody when me take the picture and send it from.
Okay, where I need.
Make Gilly do it.
Is that go on?
No idea.
Mr. Della, you may reconcile it and get the correct numbers.
Get the man touring, yeah? Yeah, get touring.
The 60 plus. Yeah. You know what they are when they race come?
That man so in the experience.
That's all we want. We just want to know that somebody. Huh? No.
Come.
Just check the man. Ah, traffic, traffic. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, Pia. Hold on.
You the shame for all the mic and pray there. Look. Now she take the mic.
Good morning, everyone. First and foremost, wish all the beautiful mothers in the world a happy Mother's Day, especially the ones that are watching here today. I want to thank the Nates Cultural Center and their organization for joining this Mother's Day race today for all the cyclists. Guys, be safe. I hope everyone has a safe race. I want to thank the father for today with energy, strength, and determination to complete this event. With that being said, have a wonderful
You know the man no more?
Yeah, I know here, no, man. I'm gonna bring some stuff for her and say it.
Tell them I go.
Yeah. Go. All right, slow one out, pack. Slow one out, pack.
Yeah, man, with it.
Slow one out, slow one out.
Man, with it. Start slower. Yeah, straight up, stop. Man, stay race 4 yards.
How much yards you say?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright,
Inside
alright,
the coach
alright,
capital,
alright.
Sam Krieger.
Yeah.
The youngest alongside Mr. Mose Lopez.
Yeah, yeah.
Maris here. Race. Why? This race look nice. They don't go slow more.
Alright, alright. We have about how much people you think we got?
Why? Me say like 30.
30?
Yeah.
Well, we got about 35, 40 right now, but we
Yeah.
have about 65 registered for this race. So this will be a big race. Some
big
of the
race.
guys are prepared not do the slow ride here through town. But we are stopped and then we are start the official race. This is just a slow one.
A slow ride,
right
maybe
now.
go today, maybe go
Alright,
today.
alright. We pass the police station. But those who are home, you could peep out and see the slow ride. And
Slow.
then we're going on the Southern Highway. Where are we going?
We're going to King John Town for the females. We're going to Maya Beach, Maya Center, and the Elite Brothers. They're going to
Elite are here?
Yes, Elite and here.
Yeah, alright, good. So you got it right. Yeah. Alright, so you pass Ramos Road, they're about to the big bridge.
Main bridge.
The main bridge. Yep.
But everybody, come out. I want to create the car. That's slow ride. That's slow ride.
Slow ride, yeah, this is not really the official race.
Alright.
Just to make Riga know, man cyclists, the back cycle
Alright.
back in Riga.
Slow.
Indeed, so that's a slow one, a lead showcase. And then you officially start pretty soon in the field.
Front that jump off
A lot
hard.
of people want this race, man.
Yes.
A lot of people. Cameraman, how you stand?
Stanton.
Alright, good. Cameraman, alright.
Okay.
We got the right type of support. We know a lot of big cyclists on the name.
Alright.
So like, you could assist me.
Yeah, get up there.
We got fun right here at the house too. So we got a full team. And for the one who could make it and want to make it, then we're good. And the mothers, we just want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day. Big up the mothers.
Alright.
You will still alive, my pocket?
One thing.
Alright, respect, man.
Alright.
Hello to my man.
Margaret, Mary Reyes, we have a happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, yes.
Love you.
Margaret. Respect.
And this race, go ahead. This will be a nice.
Alright.
Nice race.
With the pass by 7 days Adventist administration building, and with the head out, we're heading out of Riga. This will be a fast race because most of the time the categories like the juniors, the C and the B, they normally go to Placentia Junction. Right now they got a lot of energy. They're only going to Maya Center. There's a difference of like 12 miles. 12 miles difference. So, you know, you are seeing a speeding a fast race. Them guys, they look fit, they're ready for this, they're all excited like the cyclists and you know. They like ride that Riga. For some reason, they love it. And it is show right here because now we only look at 1 and 2, we improved. Last year we had about 30, 35. Now we have double that and more. Alright? And we just want everybody who they listen, the ones who they drive, man, just respect the cyclists, pull off on the road at the side of the road and give the cyclists a break. You just want to be for a couple of minutes. Regal, everybody want to know why you're not right. Regal not feel too good. Regal not feeling too well today.
Regal,
yeah. Hold on.
We want to make everybody clear the road. Mother's Day Classic, 4 years, boy. But look good, that culture capital, that Regal. And it's slow. 4 times.
Wait, man, I have to look for two.
4 times. Any moment, then I take off.
What about lamb show there? Yeah, happy Mother's Day, my sister, Denise. Happy Mother's Day, Edna. Edna's Kitchen, cheapest food in a town. Janen's, great food. All right, happy Mother's Day.
All
right, go. Official, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Wait, Derek, take your time, Derek.
Wait, Derek, yeah, Derek, Chavaria. Let's go, let's go.
Derek Chavaria, why? I don't take off.
Blow your hand. Now, blow your hand. Let's go.
Why? See? Motherfucker. Why?
Yeah, that's good, man.
Why?
No, then.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, we are getting.
All right, we have done the cyclist and the car brothers. This is our showcase for the mothers. Showcase for the mothers. And the race officially started. The first guy who really took off was Derek Chamaria. You see yes, he looked for running to the Junior. Slow. You have to pull up on the side. Derek Chamaria right out of China, right? Yeah, he went to our team. He went to our team of China. So the man that we picked, one of the his best. You know, so we got international cyclists, international riders.
Big riders.
The first station prize will be by 6 miles. That will be the first station prize. Alright? So we're passing Caribbean tires right now. We're about to pass Caribbean tires. Caribbean tires and yeah, we are already past Caribbean tires, Uno gas station. I know exactly where you are. The people can sit and go what's there. So, yeah, this is it again. Yeah, good. Looking really good. Yeah, we got an ambulance just in case. Get up and the guys is like cross country style. Alright? Race gone and take off. The guys are excited. The guys are want this race have done. No. Finish now. Okay. Man, hold up, man. Yep. Alright. Good. Come on, man. Good. Bitch, you have to look out for all of that. Alright?
We don't want to all of the vehicle will come.
Mind the bad road, man. You come out of the hand.
We don't want all of the vehicle will come and please come on the side of the road. This place is
And I'm start falling on this. Alright, good. Alright.
Sorry,
and then the chap riding on attack because he's the China. And then when I'm saying food, we're heading past the last place and we're heading out. Right? This is not heading out, we're heading out. Oh, yeah. We're heading out. What is working? Oh, good.
You know who does it today? I have a team pro. The champion last leave it.
But leave it, it was last year. Okay. Really? But we're not saying leave it today. Alright? That's about, they're about 15 seconds away from the chase group. About
like
15
a half.
seconds. Yeah. But they're coming. The pace kind of slowed up. They gone down to like about 24. They gone down to about 24. Right now, the first station prize.
But right now, you know,
the first station prize will be in the 6 miles area.
You win.
Alright? Yeah. You need to see the riders. Yeah. Alright. Derek Chamaria and The other two guys that are in James Cook are at Stanford.
And Derek
James
Chavaria.
Cook, now Derek is looking at the back. Derek Chavaria, they look back here to make sure that why we don't want anybody to get tricked.
Let's go, no, let's go. Drive.
All right.
More
Yeah, we're in Sarawi Village.
Traffic man,
We are in Sarawi Village.
Drive, traffic
Blow
man.
him
Honk your hand, drive. You have to honk your hand.
This class I need to keep open.
You have to move out of the way, traffic man. You have to ride in the face of the
I have a little bit of
police, man.
All right.
This race is a fast race.
How the race is going? Did it go fast?
It is one else.
Let's the pace.
One else pace.
Up the pace, huh? All right.
Right, but they catch up the come.
All right. Well, yeah. Now it's two guys from the chase group. They are with the lead group now.
Three.
All right.
Three.
It's got three of them.
Yes.
And then one is in the middle coming up.
Let's stay too close to the cyclists.
All right. Great race, exciting race, man. Yeah. We have ambulance emergency, and we have the big group at the back. All right.
So I have to roll, you know.
Right.
The man in there, man, they come, you know what cause accident. You have to roll, you have to roll.
Either you can lift your open. You can lift your open, Chief, or you have to close. Yes, sir.
Yes, right now we're at 6 Mile Junction, right? The race to go, right? There they come.
And the guys up on fast pace, man.
Yes, a fast pace. Big race. Fast pace.
Then use a zoom. You have to use a zoom. So where they go far?
Right.
On the one street, I see one street, you have to zoom in for a ride after that to zoom far, very, very far.
You want me to hold the wheels?
No, we're good.
The race is coming.
All right.
There they come.
They come around and zoom later and
One.
just like going to zoom.
Over there by the garbage on site.
Alright, so that's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once again, I look.
What an over station price.
So we could go over there. We could go on
Can them body come
Well,
die.
it's all
Hard
it's
die.
Sit down.
Come on, hurry.
Get comfortable. Baby chop.
Make we go.
What? Chavaria.
Baby chop.
Baby chop.
Baby chop and the next one.
Why? Chop over here. What? What? Now who are in the same chop like what?
Yeah.
What? Why? What's this today?
This year might be going to be a spring.
Yes. The conference of the chop over here.
Two different teams, right? But they not put no line there, boy. Man. Look at that, right by the sleeping policeman. Right by the sleeping policeman, chief. Right over there.
Wow, if you have to call.
4 man now, you know.
4.
You look at that
4 man. 4 man is sprint.
All right, good. So, yeah, we are here near the garbage dump site for the first station prize. The first station prize near the garbage dump site.
Well, who are get the second prize? We have like 5 man.
All right, 5 of them. A couple guys from D4.
One.
Derek Chavaria. He's not. All right.
Why? Derek Chavaria, first station prize.
First station prize taken by Derek Chavaria. Yeah, so this one, all right. We just want to have a glimpse of the cyclists, you know, yeah, the chase group, yeah, because, and then check the pace how it going, because a fast race. This was a sprint for the first station prize. Right. Yeah, it's taken by one of the G4 members.
No, Derek Chavaria.
Sorry, Derek Chavaria.
This race you use a lot of zoom, right? So the first time you use zoom, so use a lot, like make sure we get the race.
But they come. These are the gap.
Chase group. These are the chase group.
The chase.
Nobody want to work. Brandon, tattoos.
What Brandon tattoos?
All right. Yeah, this is how it looks right there.
These are the chase. These are the chase group.
All right. Service trucks. We got service trucks, you know. Numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and more.
5.
Yeah, then we have the ambulance. We have one of the cyclists. They've fallen behind in a rock. Well, I said, well, he gets dropped, but he's in it. Yeah, we got Brother Levy. We want to say thanks to Mr. Levy. You know, he gave 3 station prizes coming back. So we just want to say thanks to him. Yeah. All right. Well, we're looking good. Package, what it going, man? You know, they send up.
No, more. This race nice. No, Team G Flow there at top. This race looking nice, more. This race is very wonderful.
Looking good, huh?
Looking good. Ooh.
Yeah, it's better than you may think.
Why? And more they come, more they coming. Sit down. Like 3 or 2. But we not see the females. And these are the mothers here.
True?
Yes.
Hopkins will be the next season prize.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Yeah, we have you know. Nice. Yeah. You have to go. Yeah.
big yes.
Fast, yes.
Of course, if he the guy who is coming up the highway, I'll come up the side.
Well, not asking, but it's asking.
The one who come in, who travel up the keep you off the highway, keep them to the side.
All right. Yeah. All right. We got some of the good guys. Everybody looks strong, ready to go. That's what you say. Yep. I'm a slight part of the road. But it's just a slight part. TV vamos a ver. That's it, mate. Cyclists that love this. Cyclists that love to race on this highway.
No way.
Anytime we are racing side, and because of the love what we do, they will always want to be a part of this. We did love.
That's a lot.
We did love the cycling and cyclists. And what's the reason? And the races.
RSK.
RSK.
Classic.
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 RSK.
RSK. Classic. 4 yards. 4 yards straight.
Annual race.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, 4th annual. And we're going into classic next year.
Yes.
After 5 years. Woo. You done, you know? This one I done. This one I done. No, I said the bad road. The bad part of the road. It's over. Yeah.
Alright, come on, today.
Alright. You see that guys have cameraman? Why you look like that?
Imagine, yeah, why? Do me nothing. You don't have good job, though.
Yeah. Right? What's happening, you know? All right, so we get back to the
Yes. They got Tavaria too. Tavaria. Leave it up. Tavaria. Yes, the gap.
continue to open.
Yes.
And Facebook, as far as I'm seeing, they're not doing a great job because they have David Chubb and all of them guys have front post for like half a mile. All right, good.
Good job, Jen. Tavaria.
All right, good.
Why?
And different.
Why?
The jump back, you know.
In the job.
This is our group of 6, right?
Yes.
Group of 6, right? 7.
Seven.
All right, we got a group of 7. All right, now a different one. Drop the lizard on the limit. Lizard on the limit.
You know what? The president of my doctor.
All right, the first surprise was at the 6 and the top second was won by Mr. David Chubb. I remember when David Chubb and like David, they had the back in the race. Yes, man, to the right. Later on, they just going in and going in. All right, man, we don't even have some captions. We don't have the picture. We want to see the result. All right.
And they do a good job. They do a good job. Because you tell them on the live
Respect, man. Everybody loves cycling.
whatever.
Love the thing, man. Yeah. No, man, the guys, I'll go on this loose travel. There's still a pump. There's a pump. Yeah, go ahead and leave it, driver. Please, go ahead and leave it, please. Yeah.
Right, Kenyon.
No, he allowed them to come and
Kenyon.
yeah.
And Chawara. We have a chop. That's second most.
Kenyon. We have a chap that on a touch. Right, Kenyon, number 1.
We have a chop. Give it up, why? You look like give it up, why? Let's get some right one. You look like give it up, why? Let's get some right. What? Why?
Alright, the alpha right now. So the a pure smoothness. No
Driver,
speed.
no take.
All right, yeah. Yeah, with the slow down and leave it. Great clap, great clap, driver. Yeah. Drive back at the wheels. And that's not the thing. So you come yeah.
And this is our second year when they run this race.
Yeah,
Second
nice,
year when they
man.
run the race.
Huh?
Nothing nice.
Yeah.
Then they come. 7 of
Let's
them.
go. Upton Junction is the next station price. And that next station price is one of the big station price, you know. The first one was $50. This one is $100 for the elite. All right, $100 for the elite, and then for the females it's $45, and then for the category A it's $45, and it go right down. This is a prices are from $25, $50, and $100. Prices and prices.
Everything.
If you give something,
At least
when you give, we appreciate it.
they got some.
Yeah. You don't want to worry about them when they not give, man. Happy Mother's Day, Silgrass. Happy Mother's Day. Brother Bailey.
You want to tell all them alright, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to all the Mother's Day.
So they are all day. So they are their day.
You got any friend with a Mother's Day? Because you, the man, got a lot of friends, you know.
You got no nothing.
No, I'm not talking about girlfriend, you know, just friends.
You got no friend now.
No friend? All right.
Driver, pick up a lead, free driver.
Yeah.
And then they come. Give it up, alright. Yeah.
You know what? You know that there's a higher station, right?
Yeah.
And you pick up again, step back to say, Elizabeth Panelim.
Yeah.
And then now you're back in, right?
Get off of the base now.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead of the line, Chief. More ahead of the line. That way I come out.
Use the thing, make it use the thing.
We're good. All right.
The race is come. You go
Make it come out.
Come out, the cameraman. Show them the gap. Show them the race.
Morning, Hopkins.
Morning.
Hopkins Junction.
All mothers
Happy Mother's
Day.
Day to all mothers. We're live on DYFA 91.7 and 91.7, right, Packers?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So, yeah. This is the annual Nadir Cultural Said
Mother's Day.
cycling race. Annual. All right. So in the next like 2 minutes,
You see the race.
we'll
The
raise the
7.
Hopkins Junction station price for $100 in the next 2 minutes. All right.
Who will get the station prize?
Well, you know that who they there.
Yes.
Who made it right there?
Chuck, baby Chop.
Baby Chav.
Baby Chop.
Racing out the way. He the right from where? Out the way.
Out
Out of
China.
Yeah. So we have some big cyclists.
Big.
Some of them big cyclists out there. All right.
Big race. This race. More this race. We can't say right now with this race more. Got a big gap right
You
now.
know what I predict it?
We can't say nothing right now.
You have the main peloton and you have the chase group.
Yes.
And the main peloton, there's a different
Between.
1 minute, about a minute between the main peloton and the chase group. So, and 1 minute in cycling Regal, you know, easy to catch up now?
All right.
Yeah. Pull up on the side of the road. All right, it is here. It is here.
Why did they come once?
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day for DYFA and Nadir cycling race. All right. Mothers, why the mothers look happy for Mother's Day. All right. We have the police department.
The police
always in
department.
support. All right.
The race
I want
coming.
the wheel.
We want the wheel, Jen.
Come, the wheel. The wheel.
Why the sprint?
Why the sprint?
The wheel and the cycle.
Why the spring?
Kill a
Yeah.
sprint.
Good. All right. G4. All right. The first one for $50 was taken away by
G4.
and now
That team
it is-
Team Floor.
Yeah, one cyclist from G4. We have more cyclists coming, right? The chase group, they're coming right now. We have a chase group about 30, and they're on their way right now. They're about a minute from the main peloton. All right, the chase group is coming right in a few. We should see them in like what? The next what? Half a minute?
Like 30 minutes.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
All right, good. Pay attention to the camera, cameraman. All right. Everybody wants Regal ride. Regal is injured.
Why, we got a lot of things wrong. I don't know if you want to hear all of them or just like maybe 3-4.
Spataya man, that Regal there, you know. Regal are one of the men who keep cycling up. Regal rode the last cross country and completed
41 out of 85.
41 out of 85.
Yes,
so you did well.
Yes,
You deserve this.
when they call me name, they
Yeah.
tighten up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You can't call me name for call it take no more.
Yeah.
You have to.
No,
You
yeah,
have
but call
to
the name
adjust
and
me
say-
person properly.
Mr. Cross Country finisher.
Yeah, precisely.
26, 27.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
More, sit there.
All right.
Come.
The chase group coming.
They
The
coming.
chase group, they are coming. The chase group, they are coming. We have this chase group about 20, 25, and they are coming.
Me
And
there.
then guys, then they come like they really the chase. All right.
Yeah, but then watch this. You see?
Everybody looking at each other who go work. Everybody looking at who will do the work.
Yeah, bro. Keep
Thank you, man. All right. He's doing the work. He's doing the work right now. All right. Yeah, then we have some more.
More, the other group win. Placencia?
Placencia Junction, yes, man.
Boy, they win.
Bye, Byron. Hold up, yes, Byron. Bye, Pope.
Byron Pope.
Byron
I
Pope.
don't know, he normally at the front.
Yeah, but Pope must come. Mechanical me. You
All right.
catch up pro crowd them, man. What? Pope have to catch
All right.
up. No, wait on.
Right. You good, man. Do the fish. When I come, do the fish. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Then,
W.
I'm
Happy
not
Mother's
ready.
Day. You got some people? Where you guys came from? All right, take my way from Belgium and there it is the race. It's a good race, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. Have fun. You're going in the bus?
Yes.
Have a good day.
Are you going with the car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you going to?
Placentia Junction.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. No, we loaded. We loaded. Yeah. All right.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So we're good. You check the camera? Yeah, just pay attention. It's exciting, right? You know, one whole camera sometimes.
More, they have 2 more coming.
All right.
2 more come.
Well, give us. No, come here, come here. All right, you have 2 other guys coming. Yeah. Man, the camera barely could keep up with them guys. They really go fast. Really going fast. All right. All right, let's go.
Let's go, cameraman. Let's go, cameraman.
Yeah. Guna,
You know what I hold it?
hey, thanks for the water, man.
Thanks.
Huh? Water courtesy DYFA. Make us spot here, no, man.
Yeah, both here.
Water courtesy DYFA.
I will get with
Hey, I
Fanta.
do race again tomorrow. Water again. All right. Good.
Alright, see you, boy. Have to show the mother's love today.